Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, we're going to be making the Chinese chicken fried rice. So guys, for this recipe, I'll start by prepping my boneless chicken, which I'm using the chicken breast. So I'm going to be chopping this chicken breast into a very tiny strips. And I will make sure I chop it into a tiny size. So when I'm done with this, I will transfer it into my bowl. I'll add in 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, some black peppers, dried garlic, and a teaspoon of cornstarch flour. I'll mix this up and set it aside. So right now we'll start prepping our veggies, which I'm using 2 carrots, 2 spring onion, and 1 fresh onion. So I'm going to chop my carrot into a very tiny size. So after chopping the carrot, I'll put this in a bowl and set this aside. Right now, I'll go ahead and dice my onion. And I'll also go ahead and chop my spring onion. So when I'm done prepping my veggies, I'll set this aside and get a bowl. I'll add in 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. I'll mix this up and set it aside. So right here I have a bowl of day-old rice. I have 3 eggs, 1 cup green beans, my diced onion, mixed light soy sauce and dark soy sauce, and my already prepped veggies. And I also do have 1 teaspoon diced garlic. So I'll go ahead and whisk the 3 eggs, and I'll add a pinch of salt to taste. So right into my wok, I will add a little butter and go ahead and add my already whisked egg. So I'm going to allow the egg to cook. And after making my egg into a scrambled egg, I will set this into a plate. So guys, at this point our egg is already well cooked. I'll just go ahead and transfer this into a plate. So I'll go ahead and add in just a little bit of vegetable oil into my wok just to wet it up. And I will add the already marinated chicken and stir fry this until it cooks. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this recipe. If it's your first time here, you're so welcome to LydiaIsaac TV. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it so you'll be a part of the family and you will never miss any upload from this channel. And also do feel free to ask me any question on the comment section, as I'm always there reading your comments and giving answers to all your questions. Thank you so much. So I will allow this chicken to cook until it cooks and ready. So at this point the chicken is well cooked. I'm just going to set this into one side of the pan. So I will go ahead right now and add in my diced onion, a teaspoon of garlic, and I will add in the carrots and green peas. So I'm going to stir fry this for just about a minute. But if you don't like your onion fresh, I would advise that you take off the chicken from your wok and stir fry the onion before adding your carrot and green peas. So right now I will take the veggies off and I'll add in just a teaspoon of vegetable oil into my wok, and I'm going to add in my day-old rice. So I'm going to be tossing this rice and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes, so it will get hot and tossed with the cooking oil that I use in wetting the wok. So after 3 minutes, I will get in my mixed light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and sesame oil. And I'm going to use it to toast this rice for another 3 more minutes. So guys, if you don't have sesame oil, I would advise you to skip that, which is totally optional. I just love the aroma of sesame oil on my Chinese fried rice. That was the reason why I added it. So it's not 100% compulsory that you add it. So after tossing the rice in the soy sauce, I'll go ahead and add in my already stir-fried veggies and chicken and the scrambled egg. So I'm going to be mixing this together and allow it to cook now for another 3 minutes. So guys, if you notice that your rice is a little bit saltless, you can go ahead right now and sprinkle in some salt. So right now I have added in my spring onion, which is going to give it a nice flavor and aroma. So I will taste and I will add in just a tiny bit of salt because our soy sauce is already salted, and I will add in some more black peppers for flavors and a little bit of spiciness. I will stir this up together, and I also went ahead and add in 1 more teaspoon of dark soy sauce because I needed my rice to come out more dark, and I love the flavor of my Chinese rice to be a little bit intense. Okay, so if you taste and you need more sauce, go ahead and add it to suit your taste bud. So guys, right now our rice is ready. I'll go ahead and serve it hot and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this recipe helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to hit on that like button so that this video will get to reach other people and they also will enjoy from this deliciousness. Okay, till I see you on my next recipe, do have a lovely day, do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.